In this quick video tutorial, I will show you how to download REPO in your PC or laptop. First of all, you need to make sure that you have got Steam on your device. If you don't have Steam, you need to go to the Google and write this simple keyword in the Google search, download Steam, and open the first result. Then click Install Steam button, and once you will install it and register an account, then you need to open it. After that, in the top menu, you need to select Store, and here will be the search bar. In the search, you need to write REPO and open the first result. Then you need to scroll down, and here will be the game, guys. You need to click on Add to Cart, then click View My Cart. After that, you need to click Continue to Payment, select the payment method, and finalize the transaction. After you will buy the game, you can click Library, and on the left hand side you will see your game. You need to click on the repo, and there will be an install button. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.